Hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is me, Matia Deverma. So for today's video, I'll be going to Beltola for grocery shopping, organic. So like Sunday में Beltola bazaar होता है. So like I'll be going now and it's very hot already and I'm getting late also. I don't know whether I will get it or not, the organic vegetables. So what's till the end. So now I'll be going and I'll be directly showing it to you all in the main destination. So see, it's too sunny, so I'll be going now. After I'm done with shopping, not shopping. After I'm done with buying vegetables, we return from the Beltola market. Then after I reach my home, it's too hot, so I can't bear it anymore. That's why I went to take a bath. Then after I take bath, now you can see me again here. So I'll be showing it to you guys what I brought from the bazaar. And इतना भी नहीं मिला क्योंकि like we are so late ना. I'm so late क्योंकि mostly the organic vegetable they used to be sold out in morning, in early morning can say, and I went around 11 I think. Yeah, that's why it's named Melasi. I'll show it to you guys. So what I bought from bazaar. It's not much because it's too hot. You can see in my video how much I was sweating now. So this is pork and this is basil leaf, banta, then jackfruit seed, and this is drumstick chutney and only mango, only itna. Oh, the main thing, bamboo shoot. So that's it. That's his whole town. Craving for mango. So now I'll be eating mango. So I'll be showing it to you guys. How to drop. So how to show it to you guys. Yeah, so tao thấy cho sao cream money. But then bazaar haman do. 잔다. 다 죽다. 사진 써봐 아름다냐. 하종 그잖아 하면. 그 이모님 나오셨다. So done with my video. Okay. Subscribe dapat